Hey guys, Ashley found this really cute idea for us to add our Bitmojis onto like a We Miss You card and then send that out to families. So here we can kind of see like what the end product will hopefully look like. It has a bunch of Bitmojis all over doing funny things. So I'm just going to walk you through how to do that. Hopefully your Bitmoji is already up here. If it's not, I'll tell you how to add that at the end. So if we go up to the top, open in slides. Super easy, that part. Hopefully you can open a slide. And then, so she's got two different backgrounds here. I think she wants us to add our person to both. So then I've got this. I'm just going to click on this little guy right here. And then it'll come up and I want to just do a wave. So I'll search wave. I like this one. So I'm just going to click this one. Hit copy, and then if I click here, I can hit paste, and then it pastes in there real big. Don't want that, so I'm just going to make it really, really small because I'm short, so it'd probably be best. And then just thinking for editing wise, when people start to add a ton of Bitmojis in here, you probably are going to want to shrink this down so that it's not so big. Let's say you wanted your Bitmoji in the back, you don't want it in the front. You would go like this and then double click, and then you could order it. So I'm going to say I want mine to the back or something like that. Or you could do vice versa and bring it forward too. You can also rotate it. Click this little dot right here and rotate that guy. You can do that as well. But then let's say I just want to do the same thing. I would just want to copy and then paste that bad boy right there. Looks good. I'm gonna have him way over here. Perfect. So that's kind of how you add a Bitmoji to the document, and then she wants us to add our names. So perfect. Got that in there. So let's say you don't have your Bitmoji thing up here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna open a new tab. You're gonna hit Bitmoji. You're going to click Bitmoji, and then on the page, you're going to actually scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then Bitmoji for Chrome. Hopefully you're using Chrome. If you're not using Chrome, it won't show up. But then you click that, and then it'll go through and add that on there. So that's an easy way to do that. If you have any questions, just send them out. Can't wait to see the end result.